Hey guys, what is did not realize I had the camera pointing the wrong way. But I guess I'll just turn it this way. So I'm about to go into Dollar Tree, not looking for anything specific, just kind of going to look around and see what they got new. And I thought I would just take you guys on the walk with me. Alright y'all, so I'm just randomly looking around at this point, walking down all the aisles and just glancing at stuff. They had these cubes, USB wall chargers. I looked them up. They are at Walmart for $5, so I believe that is a good find. If you guys are looking for car cleaning accessories and stuff like that, go here. They have Armor All products and a lot of good Armor All products. Wipes, sprays, car wash, glass cleaner. Sometimes I like to put these in my car, like under the seat, because they last a while for scent, and sometimes they work better than the car ones. So that's why I was looking at that. They have a really good air freshener over here that I like to use all over in the house and in the car, which is this one. These sprays actually smell really good, and I like the way it sprays a nice mist, and they last a while. So over here, I like to get the scrub brushes, and I also like to pick up the sponge with the handle that you can put the soap inside. They're great for cleaning your tub with, cleaning sinks with, and a whole bunch of other things. Around the corner, I saw this LA Colors display that had lip gloss, lip balm, tinted lip balm, mascara, a gel blush, and even different color eyeliners. There was another cute LA Colors display I forgot to show. It had a two-piece mini nail polish and glitter set, but it was open, and it was the last one that was on the display. So if you're looking for cubes to organize stuff in, this is also a good place to come. As you can see, they have solid colors, and they have ones with prints on them. I have some in like every size, and they work great. They also have a lot of cute, colorful plastic storage bins as well in a different aisle. But this is their skincare aisle, and I love their Bolero Beverly Hills products. I have been using them for a couple years now, and they have not broken me out, dried my skin, nothing like that. So they have a few new products in I have not tried, like the hair mask and the 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. I have tried the shampoo and the conditioner separate. Smells good. I always use the facial wipes every single day. They're great for taking off makeup. These are the Bolero body mist. I have not used them as a body mist, but these are also good to use in your car or in the bathroom. So this was new to me. I've never seen Q-tips that were infused with, these were infused with coconut oil, lavender, and aloe. They were a 50 count and came with a little reusable case. I didn't pick any up because I just don't see the point of them being infused. Like, you can't smell it if it's going in your ear or you're using it to clean up polish off of your nails. So I don't know, but I did kind of want to just get them just because they're infused with a scent and it just sounds good, but I didn't pick any up. These here are all new facial products too. Sorry, it's about to get a little shaky. I always come here for my face mask, my under eye cream. You can get all your skincare items right here in this aisle by Bolero, and there's other brands of skincare as well, but you can get everything you need: toner, cleanser, exfoliator, all that good stuff. They have a lot of good hair products. I love coming here to get the dry shampoo. You can find it by L'Oreal. And these are the hair mask I was talking about by Bolero. Like I said, I haven't tried them yet, but I think I'm going to pick one up next time I go. So this is just all of the shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, hair dye, oils, and things like that, hair gel, spritz. So there's the L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay dry shampoo that I use, and the thicker, fuller hair shampoo I recently picked up and used. I'm not sure how good it's working yet because I just started using the shampoo, but I will update on that. I love coming here to get bar soaps. They have such a large variety, and I like that a lot of them that you can find, they're organic, natural, vegan, they smell good, they're full size. So this brand I've seen before, like in Walmart, Target. It's raw sugar. I looked it up and they can cost anywhere from $5 to 12 bucks. So I picked up one of those. This is the Bolero Beverly Hills collection for men, which is new. They used to did not have any products for men. And this colorful side is also for men and women. So this is another good storage container. It's clear, it's not acrylic, but it's like a hard plastic. And if you are looking for the acrylic containers, they do have those over in the storage bin aisle. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I didn't walk down too many of the aisles, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a like if you want to see more.